Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, once again, I have a package from K&N. I want to see if it makes any difference to the sound of the intake, since I don't really want to spend the amount it costs to get a new intake as much as it would be a good investment. Here in Switzerland, everything is controlled, and yeah, this is with the same intake as the stock one, but there's a lot less how do you say it? This just sucks a lot more air, and less restriction to the stock one, and this thing can improve also the sound of the car, so we'll be installing that today, plus a POV drive, what it has to be, to maybe try and see how it sounds. Yeah, you can tell right away how much less restriction this thing has compared to the stock one. The stock one is like, I'll show you after in the video, but let's go to the car and alright, we're going to install this bitch. Really hear the blow off valve that much. Let's see here. Oh, there you heard it quit. I'm gonna have to set up my car outside, my phone outside, so you can hear me do some revs before I even install this thing. Let me obviously open the... I have to set up the camera somehow so it doesn't fall into the engine bay. Well, let's start doing this installment then. The sun is shining. It's good, I guess. Better quality filming. And then, yeah, I mean, my question is, do I have to unplug this? I don't think so. I hope not, but this should work just fine. Oh shit, there she goes. That's a little bit too dramatic, I'm completely honest. Left Lucy ready tidy, obviously. That's it. Didn't want to say hello. Now I just realized one bolt is longer than the other, so I'm gonna put them in the same way, or it's a completely different bolt. Yeah, it's a completely different bolt because these three are the same. Well, that can happen. Remove this structure, and then I think I could get away with just getting these clips on. Last time I remember this thing was fell out, so get these clips off. This one as well. Just don't fucking fall, please. Be nice to me. And this should just... It's another one. Yep, there is. Hopefully I don't get burnt because it's fucking hot. Just don't want to break this. But this filter is fairly freaking new, I'm not gonna lie. I think I can just get away with sliding this bitch in. Well, now you can tell. You can see it's new. I just got my service done like 2 months ago, not even. But you can tell how much more restriction these two have. And same size, that's good. Definitely keep this for if I ever sell the car. And then I think I can just get away with sliding it in like this. Bang. Mechanic John Luke at work. And then I just have to close. Is it in right? Should be right. Should be in just fine. Well, get these clips down again. That easy. 2-minute job. Hire me. $100 an hour. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put this back in the K&N filter. That's it. I have to notice it on under load and see if it makes a difference under load. But I mean, I'll keep my phone in the engine bay and for a very little bit. Well, my English is bad. Good. Oh yeah, I can tell you right now, under load it makes a difference. We'll go for a POV drive. I have barely any battery on my camera left, so if it dies, then that was the end of the video. But let's see under load right now. I have to take it out of sports mode so it doesn't burble. Yeah, my god, you hear that turbo? I don't know if you guys can hear it from my GoPro. I did already hear some people say I should get a microphone so you can hear it better, but wow, a lot more turbo noise. Yeah, wow. You guys, if you guys can't hear that, you guys are deaf. Come on, if you can't hear that, then I'm sorry, but that makes a difference, and I can instantly already tell my car is getting a lot more airflow. Whew, that turbo sounding. Yeah, I can tell you right now, it makes a difference, and it was worth the money. But I'm not sponsored by K&N. Get it if you'd like. I definitely suggest. If you have an N55, it makes a difference. It's not too crazy, but yeah, you can definitely hear the turbo a lot. Come on, you guys can't hear that? You guys in the comments let me know, because I'll hear it when I'm editing it. Here it's a little bit more enclosed, maybe you can hear it better. Oh my god, I'd never heard my turbo sound like that. Fourth gear. Yeah, you can hear the blow-off valve like crazy. That's a thumbs up. And you guys have to do it yourself to really tell the difference, but it definitely makes a difference. So let's. Oh yeah, I can hear my turbo like crazy right now. Oh, the turbo. Sounds like I put a full-on air filter on it. Wow, I am impressed. It makes a huge difference. Well, huge is maybe an overstatement, but for the price and the fact that I do feel like a little bit more power, not, okay, I may be exaggerating, but hearing the turbo spool up like that just gives you that sense of like you did something to the car. And yeah, of course it's not huge, but I can definitely tell the difference. Wow, it's not a lot faster, I'm not saying that, but it sounds a lot better. I would have been completely honest because it's not a sponsored video. I'm clearly not famous. Subscribe, help me out maybe one day, but just listen. Wait, let's put it back in comfort.
sounds a lot better, a lot better. That's a thumbs up for me. I'm gonna end it here because I'm gonna turn around, go home and eat and everything, and my GoPro is anyway about to die. But I hope you guys liked that little installment. As you guys could tell, it's really simple, and yeah, do it if you guys have the time.